Over time, fences collect dirt, mold, algae, and grime, not only making them look old and neglected, but also shorten their lifespan. In this video, you'll see our professional fence washing process in action. We use safe, eco-friendly cleaning solutions and gentle pressure washing techniques to restore the natural beauty of your wood or vinyl fence without damaging the surface. The result? A fence that looks almost brand new, enhancing your curb appeal and protecting your investment, whether you're getting ready to sell your home or just want to boost your property's appearance. A professional fence wash makes a big difference. Contact us today for a free quote and let us bring your fence back to life.
ZionShine Pressure Washing. We turn grimy into gleamy.